stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came.
What's going on? How we doing? John Doe, Tony Gold, McNabbie Pooh, Josh, Marie Dan Combo, Karen. How we doing? We're actually in a trade. We went down the MNQ, took 5, added 5 with the intention of cutting at the lows. This was the news at 8:30, and took 9 off here, and we're just trailing 1. I put our stop in on this big candle here, and it tried to come get us, but I wanted to stay below red to green, and sure enough, it used that as support. Now we're working our way back up. I probably will move this up after the open, depending on what the opening candle does. I would almost suspect that it might try to come down and retest this again. So I'm gonna leave it some wiggle room. Would be giving back around $100 if it does come and stop us out, but it's a risk I'm willing to take to see if we can't maybe catch a runner all the way up to like 22,000 today. This is the Take Profit Trader funded account, one of the 2 that I have now. Sound is soft. Yeah, I turned down. Here, let me turn my mic up just a bit. So I figured out what was wrong with my mic. It was the gain got turned up somehow. I guess my kids were maybe playing around behind my computer. And also my cables were like, one of them was kind of loose. So I'm thinking either one of the dogs maybe pulled it out and it like hit the button or the dial somehow, or I don't know what happened, but it should sound a lot better. I tested it last night, but I haven't listened to it this morning. So I'll have to give it a listen. Let's see what happens here at the open real quick. Hit that like button on the way in. Oh, well, now I can still hear that little static. Well, that's annoying because I couldn't hear it at all last night. It's pretty It's alright. I'll have to deal with that over the weekend. AS, what's going on? Cody, how we doing? Oh, you're the one who told me my sound was off. Is it better now? Alright, now that I see that was the bottom of the little push down, I'm going to come up and put my stop right here, which is above these candles. I wish I still had 2 contracts because I'd probably take one off here on this push at the open. But we're going to just try to ride this out as long as we possibly can. There is news at 10 o'clock as well. Morning, Jason. Go ahead and start the morning marbles race. Get that up and running. Oh, I don't even have that open. Hold on. Not a bad first trade on the old pro account here. Definitely not upset about it. Yeah, I'll leave it here. I definitely don't want this coming back below here. That's for sure. Especially after that move up like that. Follow on the pro account. The drawdown is trailing. Careful. Yeah, I'm on the MNQ, so we're good. I wish I wasn't right now. I wish I was on the NQ. I'd be making some bank. All right, I am gonna start trailing this a little bit more aggressively now. This is a pretty big move. I want to let it go, but I also don't want to give two back. Not because of the trailing drawdown, just because I just want to lock as much of this in as I can. Can always look for another entry. Just let it keep going until it breaks down previous candle. We'll give it half the candle. You know how it likes to retest half the candle. You know what? We'll use previous candle. I always say I want to do that, so. Because if it's a strong move, it's not going to break previous candle. Now we can move it up to that candle, because that's now previous candle. Give it a little leeway there. Does feel like it's starting to stall. It's having trouble at 950. They can bust through 950 and start using that as support, though. Could be right. Well on our way to 22,000, way sooner in the day than I thought. Let's see if it's going to break previous candle. It did. Gave it that little leeway. So far, so good. Can it hold? So far, it's holding. All right. Let's see if we can head back up. Use that as a little fake out. We'll just leave our stop there, obviously, so since it's still previous candle. If it comes down to try again, the odds are we're gonna get smacked, but I'm not gonna move it. We'll lock it in. All right. So $459 to start that account off. I am not gonna complain about that. Oh yeah, I forgot to start mark. Donald, good morning. Jen, good morning. Johnny S, good morning. DT, good morning. How much points is the giveaway today? 485, I think it was. I can double check. So it's 97 times 5. 485. Yep, 485. That's later, though. Oh, you dirty dog. Look at that. It's okay. Still happy with it. Got my Tesla update for hardware 3 and full self-driving. Let's go. I'm still mad at you, Cody. Still mad at you. We got a referral off of you. I want that performance boost. I want it. I want it so bad. If anybody knows anybody buying a Tesla, let me know. Or let me get that referral. Man, this sucks. No way I was going to let this reverse and come all the way back down especially since there is a trailing drawdown, but it's all good. It's all good. I am not upset with that trade. I mean, we were in this all the way down here at 820. Got over 100 points out of that thing. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Exclamation point Discord if you're not in the Discord. The Discord giveaway is also live. That is for a 50K Tradeify advanced account. That is the one where if you do pass, you have an activation fee. The one we're giving away on stream is a growth account. If you pass that one, there is no activation fee. It just goes straight to a lifetime fee. Or lifetime fee. Lifetime accounts. Paul, Derek, Mass Knowledge. Good morning, good morning. Gonzalez, good morning. Piano Trader, how we doing? Don't forget that like button on the way in. Let's do it. Today's gonna be a good day. I don't know if any of you caught my short that I posted this morning, but I got rocked yesterday in the afternoon by this move right here. And of course it V'd up afterwards. So on the futures desk, I jumped in this and my take profit was literally 4 ticks away from getting my 370 on the day. And then so I ended up break even. And there was another trade where it was right here. I tried to go short here. It bounced up and it was coming back down. I went short. My take profit was 2 ticks from here, came back up and stopped me out break even. So 2 times before this move, I was literally within a point of and I was looking for 15 points. So 15 points is 45 ticks, right? 20, that's 60 ticks. 60 ticks, and I got missed by 4 and 2. And then I got long on this first candle here, looking for the retest because it went right into the bands basically. And as you can see, it did not bounce. And then I jumped over when this stopped me out on the futures desk. I jumped over to my Tradeify account, got in here, and I was looking for the bounce, and it got absolutely smashed again. I took the max loss twice. It sucks. So the max daily loss, but yeah, either way, it still sucks. So yeah, that put us in a little bit of a hole, but I mean, at least we. Oh gee, I thought that was a new move. I thought this was the open. A little bit of a setback, but we'll fight. We'll keep fighting. Ooh. I entered as a member. Do I get extra marbles? What do you mean you entered as a member? Oh, you should be a member now. What? Why didn't it come through? What the heck? It should have said thanks for becoming a member, yada, yada, yada. I see you're green now, but what the heck? Yeah, I see that. Welcome, Donovan. Thank you. I appreciate that. It didn't pop up. Wonder why. Did it give you the points? It should. It should have. I think maybe when you checked before, it didn't register. Did you already have 4,000 or did you have 2,000? It took a minute? Yeah, that's weird. Maybe maybe it'll still pop up, but it's just taking a while. That's what I'm saying. Did you have? Hold on, let me just scroll up. Yeah, I'll add the extra. Oh, you're saying that it added in there. I'll make sure it does. Thanks, Donovan. I appreciate that. Let me add you over here so I don't forget. 7. Donovan. Got you saved in there. I was trying to see if you did points before to see. It's so weird. It's popped right up for everybody else. I don't know what's going on with that. You already had 4,000? So weird. Did I take any trades? Yeah, I took a trade based I didn't take it on the news, but I took after the news. I was letting it cool down, and it looked like it wanted to come back up. So I got in with low a day there as my stop. I got one add. This is the MNQ, by the way. I started with 5 contracts, added 5, so I essentially had 1 NQ. Took 9 off here and let one go. And as you can see, this is where I took it off in this push at the open. So pretty good trade. We're up. Well, here I can show you. Donovan, I'm working on it. Give me 1 sec here. There's where we stand on that account. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I got you. That's so weird. Like, it didn't alert or anything, which is just odd. Yeah, it only gave you 1 entry, so I'll have to make sure I add you. You got 1 minute left for marbles. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Get those daily payouts. Yeah, I just got to get to the buffer. It's 52,000, right? How did you manage the trailing threshold issue when you let your winners run like that? Impressive. It's MNQ. It's a lot easier on the MNQ. All right, 40 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. I mean, if I can make $450 only trading 5 MNQ to start, I mean, I'm not going to be complaining. That's for sure. Alright, well, I was trying to see the history there, but everything, I mean, the bots are working, so really no reason it shouldn't have went through. Alright, I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna give you the 2,000 manually, and then if oh, I did Don Oven, not Don of. Well, hopefully it registers you as a member in the next marbles race. I guess we'll see if it even does that. But okay, I just added the 2,000 points. Random question: if someone signs up under your code, then fails the eval and resets it, do you also get a referral off the reset or just the initial sign up? That I believe depends on the prop firm. Some do, some don't, I believe. Hold on 1 sec. I'm actually in a stock. I put an order out, but I didn't think it was going to get filled, and it just did. Hold on, give me a sec. This thing's going a little crazy.
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Just say no. Oh, I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white. This color
I'll catch up in a sec.
I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. So unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I know I'm falling for the villain, and it's a really, really bad decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no.
That sucks. A bad start. Hey. All right, let's run some marbles. Don't forget there is news here at 10, so in 5 minutes there's going to be news on the chart, so careful with that. Is Bulenox also end of day similar to take profit? No, they are trailing. Unless they've changed it. Bulenox is more like Apex. Morning, Janie. Let me scroll up, make sure I didn't miss any other questions. Sorry, I totally forgot I left the order out trading stocks and it got filled and I was like, oh, whoops. Morning, Noob Gaming. Don't see anything. All right, let's get this first race in. Members we got. Gotta remember to add Pete Donovan. Oh yeah, never mind. One more thing. I wanted to check the activity feed. Yeah, see, it still doesn't even have you on the activity feed for joining Donovan. That's so weird. Let me check YouTube just to see if it went through over there. Yeah, it has you on YouTube as showing, but it did not register in Stream Elements or Streamlabs. Very odd. Very odd. I mean, it registered now though, because you have the green name, so a little confused on that part. But all right, back on track. I'm gonna make sure everything's entered right, but we're gonna sit here and watch the 10 o'clock news before we run the race. I want to see what happens. There we had 5 members. 10 names plus me. Cody. Oh, actually, it's going to be 6 members because of Donovan. Donald. Aaron. Jen. I think Donovan was in there. I don't know. Jen and Rob. Sweet. Who's missing? Steve? Steve was missing. Rob, you're here early. I feel like you're usually not here till later. All right, here we go. We got 15 seconds to the news, and then we'll run the race. Definitely have too many people. It should be 53. Some people are late. You, you were late. Pollen, you were late. Rayu, you were late. Nayu, you were late. Oh. Good thing I didn't keep my original stop in, huh? That's actually a pretty big candle for an orange folder. The pre-market was red folder, and look at that. I feel like this candle is just a smidge bigger. Interesting. Pretty much got bought up in the same area. 1770/80 area. See what it does from here. We'll run marbles though. I just wanted to see that candle. Hold on. There was still some other people. That Sounds of Nature's in there. And we still have one extra, it looks like. This, I don't see TCG Andy or Sandy as well. Or, I mean, we're missing one, as I'm saying. So if I get rid of TCG Andy and Sandy, now we're missing, because there should be 2 extra for Donovan, which there. Oh, wait, no, he's in here, right? The original one. Yeah, Donovan's there. I added his 2. Make sure 1, 2, 3, 12 plus me. 12. That's the extra, but then me, I am 1 extra. So there's still one person missing. I wonder if it was someone at the beginning. Cody, Paul, Visible, Isan, DT, Donald, Aaron. You're not in there. Missing you. Yep. Alright. I was missing Karen for some reason. Alright. Got it solved. 53, just like it was supposed to be. We'll start it off with the hearts. Let's go. Chart's moving down even lower. All right, Sounds of Nature. Speaking of Sounds of Nature, he was the last one to enter this race. He's got the current record at 2 minutes and 8 seconds. He's in there somewhere. 3, 2, 1, let's go. First place, 200. Fifth place, 100. 10th place, 100. If Code Valo wins, you all get whatever amount of points you would have got. So if I win, you all get 200 points. 5th or 10th, you all get 100 points. The giveaway for the account, it's going to be a 50K Tradeify growth account later, around 11:45, 12 o'clock, somewhere around there. That is going to be 485 points. So start saving, start gambling, start signing up to be a member. Do whatever you got to do to get your 485 points ready for the giveaway later. There's a free giveaway in the Discord. All you got to do is click a button. You just got to be in the Discord. Come hang out in the Discord after the stream. It's a lot of fun. Maybe you'll prevent me from taking stupid trades. And I think I'm just going to literally start closing all my brokers after the stream from now on. Because I have not taken a winning trade, I think, in the afternoon in a long time. I did yesterday, but it wasn't even my type of trade. So that was me just straight up revenge trading. There's all kinds of different paths here. But yeah, I mean, nothing seems to happen in the afternoon that's worthwhile. Donald, no! Just straight up missed the bowl. Sounds of Nature as well. Cody, though. Cody said, I didn't miss shit. Oh, you got pegged, though. Oh, Rob sneaking through there. And Josh. It's the end. Oh, someone just got yeeted. Josh got yeet. Is there any more ketchup? There's no more ketchup. Oh, yeah, there is here, because you can miss these holes. Walla taking the leap of faith. Same with Pollock. Rob out in the lead. Donovan playing catch-up. Let's see what happens here. Can Rob fall straight into the hole? No, he cannot. Can Donovan? Ooh, close now. Can he hit him? Are they going to hit each other? Nope, no one's hitting. Oh, there it is. Who dropped? That was Rob. I think Rob's got the win. There's really no... Oh, there is pegs. Okay, I didn't see the pegs. Pegs could get you. You could get yeeted too, I guess. Maybe? Nope. Rob's a winner. Who's going to get 5th? Oh, the pegs. Donovan got it because Donald hit the pegs. And 10th goes to... Oh, it said JFH, but it switched it up to JP. There we go. Rob getting some of them points. Let's go. Donovan. Literally. First race as a member. And one of your member marbles. Getting you some points. Check that out. JP coming in 10th to get those 100 points. Let's go. Ooh, wee! Indeed. Cancel that one. Everyone gets their points back. Unable to find you. I'll get you. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's like freaking out on that side of things. I don't know what's going on. Everything's taking forever. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes for the next giveaway. Get them in, get them in, get them in. All right, I'm all caught up on my end. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick and grab another drink. Be right back. Oh, I wanted to test something. Ha ha ha! Fixed it. See if it actually... Yeah, there we go. Too close. I'll never forget, before I ever had my first pair of real Oakleys, my mom asked me what I wanted for Christmas. I don't even remember how old I was. How old was I, Mom? Like 20, 21, 22, something like that? She bought glasses, sunglasses. Like, she went searching online looking for a deal, and she ended up with Folkleys. Yeah, the Folkleys. She went to return them, and the website was gone. And they were like the most cheap, raggedy things. I remember like trying to explain to her after, because I still had them when I got a pair of these, and I was trying to explain to her that like where the joint is, you could tell because inside the joint of these, there's like a metal rod that connects it, and it makes it like really smooth and nice. But on the Folkleys, it was just like all one piece of plastic, and you could tell that the O wasn't even like a real Oakley O. It was it was pretty funny. In hindsight, it was funny. Well, yeah. Well, no, you only paid like $60, I thought it was. Which, I mean, at the time, you know, it was expensive for a pair of sunglasses for us. Yeah, they got you good. Bulenox offers end of D. It is similar to take profit. Well, yeah, you have to pay for it. Yeah, most of the people buying the Bulenox accounts are buying the ones that are similar to Apex. The ones that are more expensive usually never go on sale. That's the problem. So you can get them, but they're usually way more expensive. Except it allows same number of contracts to trade in the past account, unlike take profit. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's true as well. I was a single mom on a few Z's. Fixed. Yeah. Was what it was. Couldn't return them, so. I think I still ended up wearing them for a while. Even though they were fake. Ungrateful kids. I remember being so mad at her for that. I was like, these aren't even real. But in hindsight, you know, it's the thought that counts, right? The things you don't understand until you're older. I feel like though, like being able to look back and see that kind of stuff, it really makes you understand your own kids a little bit better and like their mindset. Because it's like you can see yourself in them, right? Exactly, yeah, you tried. I agree I was mean. I remember being mean to you. That was back then. I feel like I was such a different person back then. I feel like in my mid-20s, and then especially after I had kids, I feel like I changed quite a bit. I feel like I was very me for a while. And then it got tiring. I mean, I still try to care for myself. But as far as like material things, like I really just don't care. I pay more for nice things because of the longevity of it, not because it's nicer. Like there's some things I still won't pay good money for. I got worse. Jeez, thanks, Mom. By zone? What are you talking about? Pushback. All right, how much time we got left? Yeah, 1 minute, 40 seconds. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Let me see if it registered Donovan. Donovan, did you get in there yet? It did, and it got you. All right. That kind of bothers me that it didn't register on the other side of things, because I wanted to jump up and be like, hey, thanks for supporting the channel. I can't even like hit replay. It's just not there. So weird. don't get it. You guys want to, oh no, yeah, I said we're going to do it we'll do it every day. The members only race at the end. It took a minute on our end too. Yeah, very weird. Very, very weird. I'm still waiting for it to just like randomly pop up. I mean, it's got to register eventually, right? You can't just not. I had to close out everything. It's so weird. It doesn't make any sense, but all right, here we go. Second race. I'm gonna go get my drink once this one starts. Okay, make sure we got the right amount of people. Got 12. I think we're still missing Steve. I don't think he showed up yet. Betting. Alright, should be 52. 51. Oh, come on. Who's it missing? Oh, Tony. It's missing you right on. You're right there. Tony, Mom, Derek, JFH, JP, Josh. If it's Karen again, I'm gonna start questioning the system. Janie, Noob. Well, no, because it had the member in there, so no, you gotta be in there. Noob, John, Mass Knowledge, Pushpack, Tradeify, and Steve. Alright, there's Karen, so I'm gonna jump to the bottom and see if it was the other way. Donald, Oscar, touch my tongue a lot. Voila. Mike, Breen, Holly, Gonzalez. Trading for Pips, Cody, Johnny, CG Andy, Rayu, what's going on, man? I'll see you in a little while. Aya, Sandy, Jack of all trades, Sound of Nature, Rob, Vencat, DT, Aaron. What the? Did I erase myself or? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is going on right now? We're one short. It should be 52. I'll start over here. Tony, Mom, Derek, JFH, JP, Josh, Paul. I don't remember saying Paul's name. All right, that was Paul. How did I miss you the first time? Because I was doing it the wrong way. Because I just skipped over your name. Because I saw Marie. All right, there we go. We got it. Yep, that was you. Roll call. Yes, sir. Here we go. 100 for first, or 200 for first. 100 for 10th. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. It says Daddy is the winner. Did I put Daddy in there when my kids were home? And that marble won? I don't remember. I don't remember that happening, but apparently it did. What the heck is this? I don't remember this. This is like the raceway, but you can get yeeted and stuff. Ali, Noob Gaming, Donovan, current podium position. This is kind of just like the Speedway, but instead of tires, it's these things. And there's possible yeets in there. All right, I'm gonna go get my drink real quick. So this one, get your points back. Mali Gonzalez, we've been following you for a while. Oh, Noob Gaming, you almost like landed that. That would have been crazy. You would have been way ahead, like DT just did. Just skip those. Just skip the swings. I think that's a winner. Oh, there's pegs. Oh, Rob's coming for it. Nope, DT's got it. Stuff, DT. He's gonna get 10th. Rob, how did you die? Oh, you got yeeted. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's gonna matter for whoever finishes 10th though. Whoever finishes 9th, you would have been in there. Oh no, everyone's getting yeeted. I can't even say that. Who's it gonna be? Medcat or Sounds of Nature? Oh, that was so close. Medcat got it. Code Volley getting yeeted. Oops. DT, where you at? Unable to find you too? What is going on? Can't find anybody in here. That was a yeet sauce. I kind of want to take this trade. Just jumped in a trade. DT and kind of looking for this to break back up. Geez, 5 MNQ. Didn't realize these candles are that big. I should have went down to 3. Wow, rejecting. I hit it here, but it like popped right as I hit it. Filled me up there. Kind of frustrating. But I kind of want to just get out of it, to be honest. I don't like how big the size is as well. I'm just gonna get out if it gives me break even. Even if it does continue, if we just get this, I'm not gonna be mad because I need to size down. I didn't realize that these candles were that big. I guess after the news. Come on. Come on. How did that not fill me? It looks like it went through my order. I still made like 50 bucks there, even though, I mean, maybe I should have took 4 off there and just tried to let one run, because yeah, spray. Hi, I'm working. See the microphone in the green screen. What you doing? I guess Addie's not awake yet. No. 10:24. Why aren't you wearing it? Yeah, you're 3 hours behind. Yeah. Okay, well, I can message you, just I can't sit here and talk like this, okay? What's up? The cat keeps biting you. Why? No. Did it hurt? Just stay away from him. You can. Oh, I'm gonna get off here. Just send me the picture. We'll talk on the chat, okay? Right. Yeah, when I get off the stream, we'll FaceTime. Okay. Oh, here, let me look at it real quick. Home sweet home. Oh, is it the cat? Staring at you like, I'm gonna come bite you. Alright. Bye, I love you. Oh, shit, sorry. I thought I muted. DT, you here? Hold on, I gotta start. Vencat, you here? We're here. Alright, let me start the next one so they're on the timer. Put them on the timer. Close it, make sure. I don't know if I did that. ECG Andy too early. Exclamation point marbles, get him in. You got 10 minutes. Venkat. DT. You won. You have until we start the next race to claim. All you gotta do is really enter the next race. I'll get you in. All right, Josh. Claim their marbles points. The victory. 200 points and 100 points. Imagine that. The two people that win and both of them aren't here. See if either of them entered. Excuse me. Venkat, DT, are you here? No, neither of them have entered yet. Got 7 minutes. Well, looks like it wouldn't have been that bad of a trade after all. Would have came against us, stopped us out. Oh yeah, I need to do my gambling as well, huh? Do it. I'm in a mood anyway. Yep. I just got a feeling. Donald, look at you back up to 8,000. Let's go. Just got a weird feeling about my gambling today. Hopefully I'm wrong. It's been too easy. It's been too easy lately. Remember last time I didn't even lose 2. I never lost more than once, and the first one I lost the first 2. Make it the first 3. I'm telling you, man. I'm just something's in the air. Something's in the air. There's one. No, I can't win the first one. I'm giving away accounts today, so there is that. That always cheers me up. Friday can never be bad because of that. Man, look at this. I'm 1 for 7, 1 for 8. Oh crap! I gambled the wrong amount. Watch, I'll win. Oh, I got a 99, so that works. It should have been 800. Dang it. Well, it kept me from having to do it again. Count that as a win. 2. Man, it's crazy. It's three of the first rolls I've lost. Yeah, there's 3. What'd you do, Karen? Oh no, I see it. 4 of the first rolls I've lost. That's crazy. Remember the one day I won 5 in a row? Rigged. Yeah. Need one more. Okay. All 5 first rolls I lost. That's crazy. Come on. I had a weird feeling that the gambling was going to be off today. All right. We're done. Got our 5. Plus we rolled a 99. It should have been on a 800 roll, but it ended up being on a 400 roll. But I'll still take it. Still here just driving? Got it. Zishan used to do that all the time. He'd be like driving from gas station to gas station, collecting the slots profits. I guess I can turn the news off now. We don't have any more news. We got 2 minutes and 50 seconds for marbles. Get them in if you haven't already. Venkat and DT. I still have not seen either of you enter this race. What are the odds of that? The 2 winners are the ones that don't show up for the next one. And we have just as many entries too, so kind of confusing. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. My son just sent me this picture and he's like, zoom in, it's the cat. So here's what the picture looks like normally. Then we can zoom in. Sure enough. The cat's like looking around the corner. It's funny. Told him he's planning his next attack. All right, 45 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. The giveaway later in about an hour, a little over an hour. 485 points. That's what you need. All right, there it is. Let me see if DT or Venkat entered. I don't think they did. They did not. That is crazy. The two winners, not here. Jerks. Everybody remember when we see them next. When you see Venkat or DT, let's make sure that we scold them. Like, hey, remember that time you came in first place and you weren't here? They'll be like, what? No? Alright, 57. We're good. Let's go. Alright. We are finally making that move up. Just had a little to try a pullback again. It's a snow globe. I hope we get no more snow. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We haven't played this one in a while apparently because we don't have a world record or a local record on it. Someone's gonna have to set it. Who wants to be the record holder? Donald up to 9,000 again. Let's go. Cancel this, y'all get your points back. So yeah, it says new members now on there on YouTube. Oh yeah, I know it registered on YouTube. I understand why it didn't register. Let me check. I don't think there is an activity feed on Streamlabs. Or recent events, let's see. So, events. This doesn't even show the members. Okay. Doesn't even show numbers. AN out to a huge lead. Not even close. And there's nothing stopping them. AN, let's go. Karen currently in 10th. Can she hold it? AM with the victory. Who's it gonna be? 10th place. There's a lot of marbles coming down all at once. There's no way. They're gonna be coming from both sides for 10th place here. Ooh! No idea. Koala Luala. There it is. 10th place for Koala Luala. AN, are you here? Koala, are you here? Imagine. Imagine. Steve Trades and Zelda Palm. I think the fire is coming to get you. You better go. You better run. Get those Nikes on. wants to get there. I think Zelda's got it. Ooh, oh, that was so close. Yeah, you barely beat it. I was going to say, because you get the full minute. 138, 237. Look at that. Super close. 10th place had to be pretty close. Look at that. 0.242, 0.253, 0.286, 0.375. 4 people from 8th to 11th. All within a 10th of a second. 10th and a half, but still. That's crazy. AN! Koala! Where are you? What is going on? Koala's here. Got one. We got one. I just need to add some points to people. Like, oh, it's here. All right. Excuse me. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Like TCG Andy knows when I'm gonna hit the button. Exclamation point barbers, get him in. Get him in. TCG Andy, type it again so you're in the list. I don't think you're in the list. All right, so we got Venkat, DT. Hey, DT. Hey, DT. Do you remember that time when you won the race and got your 200 points? Do you remember that? You seen? Oh, you seen that you missed it? He was here? Oh, there's AN. AN, did you see that you just won that race? What do you mean DT was here? He didn't enter the next race. Was in a trade, not listening to your streaming shenanigans? Well, if that's the case, I'll give you the points. Venkat, however, I still need to hear his excuse. All right, you got 8 minutes. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. I'm pretty annoyed of pretty annoyed that none of that went through. Well, if it ever does go through on Stream Elements side, I will replay it, Mr. Donovan. I don't quite understand what's going on there. Now, TCG Andy, I was just asking you to type it again because you always type it like so fast when I start it up that sometimes you don't get on that list, which makes it easier for me, but it's all good. It's all good. We'll figure it out. We have to. I was up till 1:50 in the morning this morning, I should say. Because that's when the wife and my oldest landed in Oregon. So I was up making sure that they got there safely. Which they did, as you could hear me talking to them this morning. Did you all see that Josh Allen won the MVP? Give a dog a bone, they say. If you go through and like look at the individual voting, anyone that knows football knows the people that voted for Lamar are the people that actually know game when they see game. So that's all that matters. That's all that matters in my opinion. Doesn't want to let me have number 4. Well, Donald should be like number 3. Yeah, he should be number 3, but he had a couple bad days of gambling. Yeah, Tony. I think a lot of it was based on the fact of just pure entertainment. Like, did they really want to give Lamar the same amount of MVP trophies as he has playoff wins? Like that, when you really think about it, that's kind of a reason not to give it to him. Also, I think, you know, giving Lamar 3 before giving Josh 1, I think that was like part of it as well. I don't know. When you break down the entire season, Josh does not deserve it more than Lamar. Doesn't. Uh-oh. I think school's calling me. Give me a sec.
No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home, it sucks. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck.
School telling me that Bray was absent.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the
Yeah, 24,000. That's crazy. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Yeah, but to be fair, Tony, Lamar put the team in that situation. The interception, the fumble. But he did bring it back. To be honest, I think we win that game if Andrews doesn't fumble the one at like the 40-yard line. Minus the drop at the end, I think that was bigger. I think the fumble at around midfield is the one that lost us the game. But I said it even before that game. No one beats the Ravens. We were the best team in the NFL. The only team that could beat the Ravens were the Ravens. I said it before the game, and I'm not trying to act like I know what I'm talking about. I'm not. But I'm just saying, like, that's how the Ravens play. Every playoffs, it's the same shit. They get to the playoffs, they look like the best team, and then they beat themselves. It's the same shit. The turnover ratio in the playoffs for us, it has to be so bad. We suck in the playoffs. I don't know if it's the pressure. I don't know what it is, but very frustrating. It's the same shit every year. We look like the best team, get to the playoffs, maybe we win the first game, and then we end up choking every time. Did you see they're going to be signing him back for 3 more years? Which I'm fine with. The dude's a great player. Zishan, I saw your question. I did not see it yet. I saw you posted it. By the way, guys, Discord, exclamation point Discord. That giveaway is going to happen automatically at 11:45. You got to enter that one. Exclamation point Discord brings up the Discord link. You join the Discord. in the giveaways channel. All you got to do is hit enter giveaway. That's that simple. That is for a Tradeify 50K advanced account. That's the one where if you pass it, it's an eval. You then have to pay the activation fee of $130. I'm a Bucks fan. We defeated ourselves too. You did. Dude, Baker, I love Baker. I root for that dude. Have you all seen the movie The Replacements? He reminds me of that movie where the dude just has heart, man. He just doesn't quit. I feel like the last person I seen play like that was Tom Brady. Brady's the other one. I mean, he was always like winning, so he didn't really have to worry about it. But when he was losing, he never gave up, man. Brady was just that guy. Brady is the GOAT. There's no better quarterback than Tom Brady. It's not even close. Yeah, Tony, he's not going nowhere. He's good to go. I hated Tom Brady. The dude always handed us losses. Always. It sucked. It sucked playing against him. Because he was the best. All? You lost it all? Oh my god. How many in a row did you lose? 28, 20. What did it start at? 4,000. Oh, geez, you were gambling huge. No wonder you lost it all. Wait, where did this one go through? Oh, you won that one. You had 12,000. You gambled, you're down to 10,000. I feel like I missed 5,000, and then you did 5,000 again. Or wait, oh yeah, you did. Oh my, jeez, peasy. You hit it twice? Hit it once. Gamble 5,000. Then it says you lost 5,000, and then it says you lost 5,000 again. But oh, gamble all. It's right above it. Okay, I didn't. You guys are killing me with this gambling stuff, especially you guys with like 10,000. Like, just go for 100 a day. I've proven. I am proof. I was at like 18,000 when this all started. From the first time I had this all running. But I'm up almost 20,000 points in what? A few weeks? Something just happened. Is Trump speaking? Something's going on.
This is the future.
I'm in one MNQ, guys. Nothing crazy here. I don't know what's going on, so I'm playing it safe. This is exactly what got me last night, by the way, in the afternoon. This exact type of move where it flushed right to the bands, and then we just never got the bounce, and it just killed me. Looking for the retest of the support that it broke. Something had to have happened for this to happen, which is kind of making me a little weary about being in this. Look at that one MNQ contract. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm gonna add one there. I'm gonna try to get out one. Still gonna look for this retest. Gonna hang in here. And get out the one, and then we'll still look for the retest on the other. Didn't that go through my order? What is it? Are you kidding me? It's gonna get me anyway, but still. Okay, gotta back up here. Retest, and there we go. I'll take it. What the heck was that? It looked like it went through my order, but when I zoomed in, it looked like it was off by like a tick or two, of course. This thing's whipping points, and it misses me by like a tick. And we did get the full retest, so could have held for it, but it's all good. Fed Goolsby said something. Apparently it was something worth dumping the market for, but it's going to V right back up, it looks like. It was the Trump thing? No? Headline: Trump plans to order. I don't know what that word is. Trump told Republican lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs as early as Friday. What are reciprocal tariffs? Like retaliate, kind of reciprocal. Let me just Google it. Reciprocal, given, felt, or done in return. So yeah, it's kind of like a retaliation thing. YouTube chat right now. Can't type normal. We're in YouTube. Man, imagine just going long here because you're about to break a key level and you're looking for it to go higher, and then you just get absolutely shat on. It couldn't have happened like down here where no one's really getting long looking for the break higher. Back up to the red to green. Just got him like right as it happened. Ooh, right in your face. That's crazy. How much time we got for marbles? Could be. Is it over? It says 36 seconds, but it's stuck. Did I miss it? Reciprocate. 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 Yeah, it's already over. Alright. Still no Steve, right? It's the one that's missing. Yeah, haven't seen him. Haven't seen all the Hawk to a girl and all that stuff go crazy. Should be 58. It is. Let's go.
You gotta give him that Hawk to and spit on that thing. You get me?
Oh, you know what? Let's do that one. We haven't done that one at all. Got some good catch up back there. The slippery slopes. Yeah. Did Venkat ever come back? He did not. Guys, don't forget Discord giveaway. Exclamation point Discord gets you the link to get in there. All you gotta do is go to the giveaways channel. Boom shakalaka, hit the giveaway. Enter giveaway. You're good to go. Zishan has the record on this one. 244. See if anyone can beat it. Down the slippery slopes we go. Ralgo said later. Ooh, a little kiss with Koala. Ralgo and Koala. That's not the only low time record he owns. Average height for a male. Wait, you know what? I'm curious. Average height for a man. 5 feet 9 inches. Sorry, Z. I'm average. Apparently, I'm average. I'll take it, I guess. I'll take it. Ooh, JP down the middle. Gotta beat everybody else, though. Gotta get under. Get under. Oh, no. Paul said get out of here. I'm ruining your experience. Ooh, Donald. Oh, no, Donald. Tried to sneak in there. Tried to button line. Got the button line. That's what this map's all about, though. Oh, just like that. Ooh. How'd you fall off there? Looks like we got our leaders over there on the left side. Now the right side. Like Jen's out in the lead. Oh, Code Vala's there. Everyone can get 2 hundo. Bunch of members in here. The member number 2 marble doing some work today. This is it. It's whoever makes this crisscross first. Where'd I go? Oh, I'm in first. Get out of the way, Karen. I got people to please. Karen, don't do it. Miss the cross, Karen. Miss the cross. No. Oh, no. This is a race. This is a race. Who's it going to be? They're about to fly by me. Karen! Karen made it. I didn't even get 10th. I got 3rd. I made it to the podium. Karen taking it down. Selfish Karen. JP. 10th place. Come on, everybody. You got to make the long jump. Make the long jump. I was too fast. I couldn't help it. Let's go. JP, are you here? JP, are you out there? That's what he said. That's a good one. That's what he said. Feels like we want to start going lower again, huh? Alright, no JP yet. We'll be doing the giveaways. Oh, there's JP. We'll be doing the giveaways around 11:45. The one in Discord is going to do it all by itself. I'll try to bring the Discord over so we can see it live. I've been pretty bad about that thus far. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 9 minutes and 40 seconds. We'll also run the giveaway here on marbles around that same time. And then we'll do the members only race. We'll actually do the members only race before the giveaway. To add a little victory, little taste of victory. How to win the giveaway, Manu. Welcome to the stream. So you need points. You earn points by being active in the chat. You get 5 points every 5 minutes. All you gotta do is say something every 5 minutes and you get 5 points. You can also win points in the marbles races throughout the week. We run marbles races all week. You can easily get points that way if you win or come in the positions that pay. Or you can click the join button. You will automatically get 2,000 points, which is good enough to enter any giveaway that we do. You will also get 3 entries into every race that we do. All the points races, all the giveaways races, all the races, except for the members only races, because we don't need to do those. But members only races, you have more. We do 1 race every day. If you choose to participate, it's 100 points, and it's winner take all. So the more members we have, the more the prize will be. And that's that. I think I got every part of how the points work. Today's giveaway, 485 points. It's a Tradeify 50K growth account. It's the account that has an evaluation. When you pass the evaluation, you do not need to do anything else. It turns into a lifetime account and you are good to go. It's actually, I am trading one of those on the back end, the eval part of it, because now I am trading PA accounts on stream, which eventually I'll get back to trading that Apex account. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. I feel like it's so much easier to trade with Take Profit Trader and Tradeify that the Apex account is just kind of sitting there. Lifetime account, so maybe I'll wait till they change the rules again for the better. Yeah, it's a lifetime account, so I paid for it. Yeah, I got a bunch to do today. I gotta pick up a lot. Got a lot to pick up around the house. I gotta do the dishes. I don't have to run to the store. I actually ordered everything online. It should be here soon. Sounds like a great arrangement. What do you mean? Just qualified an ETF account. All you need is to get 1,000 to go to funded. Any account is. Who is ETF? Get 1,000 before noon? I was gonna say earn to trade, but that wouldn't be ETF. The ET phone home. It's saying I have a GChat message. I don't. Elite trader funding. Gotcha. Who do they compare to? I would say right now, if I had a top 3, it would be Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and then My Fund of Futures. That would be my top 3 at the moment. Although I'm not very happy with I'm not very happy with My Fund of Futures at the moment. Elite Trader funding 100K is $26. How much is the activation fee? You can qualify up to 3 accounts. What do you mean? So on a 100K account, you only need to make $1,000 to pass the eval? That doesn't seem right. Is that what you're saying? Or am I misconstruing? Is GDT live today? He was here earlier. He's not. I wonder if it's that time of month to give Stock Jock my Prime. Maybe he's got 400 people watching him on Twitch. Let's go. Continue to 8 days. Any of you want to go over to my dead Twitch channel and just give me your Prime sub that you're not using at all? I just got a message from Take Profit Trader actually. CPI is next Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning. Prohibited to hold any open positions during these news events. Keep that in mind. I'm pretty sure they're 1 minute before and after. Did you answer me, Mr. Andy? No lifetime. Yes. Oh, you're saying only today. And then the activation is first month is free, 80 a month after. Interesting. Well, if anyone wants to take advantage of that, feel free. I don't have a code over there, so you'd have to find somebody else's. If anyone has a code over there, feel free to post it in chat. Might get a couple signups. I'm not going to rush over there. I mean, it's already, like, maybe if I knew about that yesterday and I wanted to maybe, like, risk it on the news and stuff this morning, maybe, but I have too many accounts as it is. Well, I have 2 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I have the Apex funded account. I have the Tradeify funded account, the Tradeify 50K growth account, and the future set. That's 6 accounts. That's too many for me. 2 is too many for me. Did one in 6 minutes. Nice. But you have everything set up already, so it's a little easier for you. You must submit a form before the end of the day if you qualify. Gotcha. What is that? Oh, is that him? Stop. Like, I've never heard that noise. All right, where are we at on marbles? You got 40 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in if you haven't already. Get them in, get them in, get them in. 30 seconds. That was a good deep breath. That felt good. I don't know why it felt so good, but it did. Take it. Getting close to giveaway. Getting excited. I get so excited for the giveaways. I really do. I love this song too. It's such a good song. All right. We should have how many people? 54. 51. Missing 3 people. You guys at the beginning. Let's see. Aaron, John, Bushback, DT, Balgo, Tradeify, Marie, Noob. Probably sure. That's not good that it's that many people. Oh, you know what? Is Steve? Did Steve come here? Oh, Steve's here. Okay, that's why. Oh, I'm still missing 1 though. Got all the members here. We're still missing 1 though, so I still gotta. UCG Andy just snuck in there at the end. Donald Cooper. APY, Ming, Touch My Talala, Jojo, Holly, Mike, Mom.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Josh, Donovan, Mr. Waffle Sack, Mass Knowledge, Janie. What's going on, Janie? Janie's got a gun. It just never gets old. I'm sure you've heard that a few times. Sound of Nature, Johnny S, Sandy, Jen. Trading for pips. You're missing. You're missing. I got you. Oops. Don't do that. Trading for pips. Trading for pips was missing. Anybody seen him? He's on the side of the milk carton. He's on the side of the milk carton. Yeah, I don't know. It's like something's wrong with Stream Elements today. But that actually wasn't Stream Elements. He wasn't logged into the file, which is even more weird because that usually never has issues. All right, Cody member number 2's got the record on this one. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Sounds of nature. First one down. Here we go. Jack of all trades, first one out. Follow him down. Where's the ghost marble? Nowhere to be followed. There it is. There it is. Can he stay ahead? Oh, I see the little, like, see that? See the hammers? Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh yeah, I see the ketchup blocks down there too. They're the Heinz. This is brought to you by Heinz Ketchup. You eat any other ketchup, you're disgusting. The other ketchups aren't good. Oh, oh, Jack of all trades. Rob found his way down here as well. All those hammers, those look so scary. Ah! Oh, you didn't pass them yet. Whew. Oh wait, you're still not passing. Oh my god, no! Okay, we're good. Brago said, "Why are you following him, bro? I'm all up here." Same with Mike. Like, what are you guys doing? We're up here. Oh, you're kind of going sideways though. Oh, you're kind of going sideways. Is there a wall? Is there a wall? I don't think there's a wall. Brago's good. Brago! What the heck was that? Oh, Mike too! Mike trying to skip this too? What is going on here? It's between Froggo and Mike right now, but here comes Cody! The ghost marble! Well, that's how the ghost marble. Froggo and Mike! Oh, that was so close. Donovan almost skipped everything and fell right in there. That was crazy. You guys were like skipping left and right. Froggo with the win. Boost thrusters engaged. Slingshot engaged. That was actually pretty fun. Quick but fun. And Cody. Where are you? Oh, you're in there. Cody with 10th place. Still got the record, and you got some points. Look at these slow pokes back here. Look at these slow pokes back here. They're about to get burned up. They're about to get burned up. Watch out. LA's coming for you. Oh! So bad. All right, we'll get one more normal race. Then we'll do the members only race. And then we'll do the giveaway. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. So we got one more normal race, 1st and 10th. We'll do the members only race. Winner takes all. And then we'll do the giveaway. Around that same time should be the Discord giveaway. I have to keep an eye on that. You know what? Let me set a timer in my phone. Let me do an Alexa. Oh, Mr. Wafflesack. Let's go. Welcome to the member crew. May the winner takes all marble rolls be with you. Let's go. See, now I really feel bad for Donovan. I still have no idea why it didn't come up. It's so weird. Yeah, look, even his popped up. Look at this. So Rob, 2 days ago, and now Mr. Wafflesack, but yours just didn't register. Like, I don't get it. Had it went through correctly, I probably would have gave you like the biggest ooh-wee ever. Ooh-wee! All right, let me set this timer. Alexa, set a timer to go off at 11:44. Sorry, I just set all your Alexas for 11:44. You can't change it. It was already 11:44. You said alarm changed to 11:44. It was already 11:44. Mr. Waffle Sack said, I'm coming for the winner takes all. Mr. Waffle Sack says this isn't ooh-wee, it's ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Did you get your points, Mr. Waffle Sack? Give it the old check. Remember the days where I didn't have any competition? Dude, Cody, when he was the first member, he would rake in the points. And I think that's kind of what started the snowball effect a little bit. You start seeing all the members marbles win. It's not the OG marble that wins. It's always the members marbles, the extra two. DCG Andy in a meeting. He's in the meeting. Everybody, so you know. So when he wins, he just wants you to know that he beat you while in a meeting. There it is, 2300. Let's go. Oh, you have me on mute? Well, how'd you hear me then? He's lip reading me. We got one member not in there. I've been pretty bad about reminding the members about when marbles entries. We got Cody, Jen, Donovan, Karen, Steve, and Donald. Actually, did it register you as a member in this one? There should be 14 extra, right? Oh, hold on. Yeah, let me add you to the list too. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it should be. So now it should be 16. Donovan, Mr. Waffle, Sack. Yeah, Cody, you get your points tomorrow, so remind me on Monday. Lip reader? Damn, you're a good lip reader. Is that your job? Is that what you do at work? You just go into a conference room and lip read? Let's see, Mr. Waffle Sack, where are you at in here? Yeah, it did give you 3. Okay, so we're still missing one. Who are we missing? Is Rob in here? I don't see Rob. I don't see his red dot. Rob, are you out there? You got 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Doing one more normal one. And we're doing the members only. Winner takes all. And we're doing the giveaway. He's resting up for the big races. I like it. I like it. Hey, whatever wins, right? Whatever gets it done. This is Rob. All right, we got 3 minutes for marbles. Get them in, exclamation point marbles. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Getting ready for that giveaway. It's coming. It's coming. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. I hope you all are too. Hit that like button. Hit it. Smash it, as Aya would say. Karen's gonna come for you if you don't hit it. Just saying. You got 40 people in here. You got 14 likes. Come on. Come on. What are you doing to me? Making me beg for your likes.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
It feels so weird. It's not who I am at all. I'm not a like asker. I'm not the one to ask for likes. Just to give you guys an update on the accounts. Here's where we stand today. Pretty good day so far. This is the funded account. How do you decide on your levels for your break and retest strategy? I just look at the bands. I try to get as close to those bands as I can. Anyone get crushed on that report change? You talking about this? I did not. I was kind of taken back by it when it happened, but got a pretty good entry on it. Assuming that's what you're talking about. Yeah, so like if we were to come down, just to show you, if we were to come down here, I usually draw a line, which you can't see it, but I did just put it there. It's at the current low. I'd be looking for it to break through there, extend away as close to these bands as possible, and I'd be looking to get in, and then the minimum I'm looking for is the retest. Because usually that's what happens. You get the push down, you get a retest, and then if it wants to go back through, if it's strong enough to, it will. And if it's just going to use that as resistance, previous support turns into new resistance turns into previous support. That's usually how you know you're in a trend. You're starting a trend anyway, or already in a trend, is when you get that bouncy ball effect, right? Like let's try to find a trend real quick. So like, here you go. I know this is like overnight, but it'll kind of give you the idea. So like every time you break through an area, so like if you draw a line, like this was support, it went through, turned into resistance. Okay, same thing right here. It lets me draw the line. It was support. Well, I mean, you can even draw it back here. It was support, came through, turned into resistance. Same thing down here. Was support, came down through, turned into resistance. So that the retest happens a lot, right? It's just basic support and resistance. But look at every time it hits the bands. Sometimes it goes further, but that's where scaling in comes in. And if you start with micros, it's usually pretty, like, you're okay, but I was trying to do it with the NQ and it gets out of hand really quickly sometimes. But I mean, most of the time when you hit the bands, you're going to come up and find a retest at wherever it broke through to start that push down into the bands. And it works the other way too. You can have an uptrend and it does the exact same thing, but you get, it's only when there's an actual trend. This looks like a huge move. There's really nothing there. That was too fast of a move. But I mean, you can scroll back and you can find, I mean, it happens all the time where you see a resistance, it goes through, it turns into support. You see a support, it goes through, turns into a resistance. It's the same stuff over and over again. I mean, even here, if you look here and look at this, support, it went through, came back up through, right? That happens. Those are the I call them liquidity grabs. Usually they go through. There's a bunch of stops here for people that were long, so they stop out and then it goes, right? You see it happen all the time, liquidity grab, but it's still a support area, right? It support, it started using it again as support. Flushes through. What's it do? Comes back up, uses it as resistance. Comes back up, uses it as resistance. Comes back up. Tried to go through, didn't, but still using it as resistance. Not one of these candles closed on the other side of there. I don't really go off of that, but I mean, it's pretty common sense. Like, it's never going to be like perfect, but a lot of the times it is. It's pretty crazy. So, and that's the general idea. So I'd be looking for this to come down to the lows, bust through, and then get in for the retest. That's the idea. And the closer you can get to the bands, wherever they are at the time, the better. Right now, it's kind of close to that, but if the price starts to come down, the bands are going to start to expand again anyway. So it's probably going to be somewhere down at like 560, 550 area. So that's what you're looking for. If it just goes through and just goes really slow, to me, there's no edge there. So that's what I'm looking for. That is my strategy in a nutshell. Now, being patient enough to do that that's the hard part. I feel like that's what I struggle with the most, because then I start forcing some trades here and there, and then before you know it, I'm in one where it's nowhere near the bands. Like, I'll start it on this move where this one would have worked, obviously, but then it bolts down to the actual bands, and now I'm stuck, right? Because on the retest, my average isn't even at the retest, and I get stuck, or it's at the retest, and I'm looking for it to come back up through, and a lot of the times it doesn't. So there's definitely some stuff there. Hey, Bray. Hi, Addy. I saw Mr. Dan posted on your one of your shorts, the one where you were sledding. Did you see that? All right, let's close this race. That's my oldest. He's home from, or he stayed home from school today to go on a trip with my wife. So our friends out in Oregon, they just had a baby, and my wife wanted to go meet the baby. So she took off. Well, she didn't take off today. She was working a half day today, but she worked in Oregon. So took my oldest, because my oldest is good friends with their daughter, Addie. It was Adeline, but Addie for short. And then, so he surprised her because Addie had no idea he was coming. And so they're there. Yeah, he's about to turn 9. He supports the stream. You have 5? Ugh, I can't imagine. I just have 2. I have Braden. He's the one in the chat, and then I have Camden. He just turned 7. Braden will be 9 in March. Almost a month. A month and 3 days. He said, what? All right, let's play some marbles. Bray, if you're not in the marbles race, I'll get you in there. Oops. All right, we should have... Let me make sure I got all the members. I added Steve, right? Oh, I got to add Mr. Wafflesack, our newest. Let's go. Future stream ballers. He has his own YouTube channel. He's been putting some videos out. You have 9 kids. How many do you know about? Mr. Waffles. I'm just gonna call you Mr. Waffles. All right, so this means we should have 59. Or wait, I'm still missing somebody. 16. That's only 14. Who am I missing? Cody, Donald, Aaron, Jen, Donovan, Rob. Oh, Steve, that's right, because I put him in at the bottom that last time. Alright, now we should have 15. No! One extra. Noob Gaming. Was it you? Nope, wasn't you. LND, Rob, Ian, let's go back up to the top. We got one extra this time on this side. Alright. Donovan, you were first, but alright, I'll put you all the way down there. Ming, Derek, Jen, Josh, Cody, Froggo, Pushback, Karen, DT, Sound of Nature, JFH, Steve, Kevin Baker in the house. What's going on, Kevin? Donald Cooper, TCG Andy, Trading for Pips, Johnny S, Zelda, Tony, and JP, Tradeify. I hate when this happens. Colin, John Doe, Jack of all trades, Keysun. Is it going to be somebody new? Probably. Danny, Steve, Visible ID, Sandy, Piano Trader. Piano Trader? No, you're in there. I was going to say, I knew you have. Oh, it's here. We found him. Tai Chung. You didn't have the points. Tai Chung, you got to be here. Every 5 minutes, you earn 5 points. That's all you need to enter these races. Unfortunately, you must have just came in and you did not have 5 points. I'm going to enter you, Bray. Hold on. I just had to get that settled first. Brayden. Lots of N's. All right, we're going to do... Let's do one that we know. Oh, let's do the bullseye. Let's do the bullseye. That's 60. This will be our last one. Closest to the bullseye wins 200 points. And 10th place wins 100 points. And then we'll do the members only. So this is not about finishing first. It's about finishing closest to the bullseye. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Derek, first one down. Look at Brayden's name. And I'm right behind you, Bray. Here we go. Good luck to everybody down the Plinko onto the track. I just noticed what that looks like. You're first and closest to the bullseye. You get 1,000 points. Okay. Deal. Let's see who's first. It's looking like Yane or JP. I'll honor that. I like it. Oh, it's going to end up being Cody? Yeah, I got to get close. Nope, it's Yane. Nah, it's not going to be closest. Right now? Nope. Yeah, he's already out. Tony. Oh, it's going to constantly switch. The middle is wide open for the taking. Oh, Froggo. Rob, how did you get closer? Froggo's look so closer. Is that the ghost marble? Rob's first. We'll have to get a close-up. Oh, that was it. Rob. Let's go. Let's take a closer look at that. 10th is Yane. That's funny. Where is Rob? Oh, there's Froggo. Wow, that is Rob. That looks so close. Froggo looks closer, in my opinion. Maybe not. That middle marble always throws me off the ghost marble. It's just so close in the middle, it's hard to beat. All right, Rob, winner, winner. 200 for you. Yane. 100 for you. I also have a little surprise in store. Oh, unable to find you, Yane. Are you here? All right, let me close real quick. All right, look, if you are not a member, do not type exclamation point marbles. It is useless. You can only enter this if you're a member. All right, you can only enter this next one if you're a member. Do not type exclamation point marbles. If you do, I'll make sure your marble doesn't win the giveaway. I'm just kidding. I can't do that, but I just don't want to have to X everybody out. Actually, I don't even have to do that. I'll just do it myself, right? Is everybody here? You know what? I just want to make sure they're all here. So yeah, don't do it. Only members. Hold on, I gotta start it first. Because we got to collect the 100 points anyway. All right, you got 5 minutes, members. Exclamation point marbles. Pushpack Ming, you're 5th? I don't know, are you? Oh, you're right. I forgot that was the last race, so 5th technically gets points. Let me check. That was the last normal race. Pushpack calling me on my BS. I like it. Let's double check who came in 5th there. It was Pushpack. Look at you. I like it. Way to look out for yourself. Did Yane come back? I knew you guys were going to type marbles. Oh, there's Yane. All right, let's see. We got 6. But we need 2 more. Who's not in there? Rob's in there. Cody's in there. Donald's in there. We're missing Jen. And we're missing Donovan. Jen and Donovan. I guess you don't have to race. It is 100 points. Remember yesterday with Rob? That was pretty cool. I'm telling him. There he is. There he is. Mobs. You guys. You guys. I can close it, but we still need, I just need one more. Rob, Cody, or it's Jen. Jen, are you here? Jen's usually always here. So do they lose the 100 point? Yes. Yeah, it's a winner take all. Yeah. So just like the giveaway race, I pick winner. So one person gets 100 back. So they get their entry back. Because remember yesterday, was it Jen or was it Karen? I forget who won yesterday for the winner takes all. But they won the race and the pick winner. Yeah, it was Jen. That's what I thought. And now she's not here. Well, the total win right now would be 700. If Jen enters, it'll be 800. She's got 2.5 minutes. Jen! Try this one. She's gotta defend her title from yesterday. I dated a Jen once, she was always late. Oh, the Discord giveaway. All right, that's perfect timing. Alexa, off. All right, this is going to auto pick itself if you're not already in here. You got 28 seconds, 27 seconds, 25 seconds to get in the Discord and hit enter giveaway. If you're not in there already, this is for the 50K advanced account. My wife was always late and I got Bulenox. That's great. Here we go. Yeah, I think Jen's gone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner is Donald. Let's go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Donald. Oh, hopefully there's nothing private in there. Let me get rid of that. Let's go. Ooh wee. There she is. Let's go. Donald with the 50K advanced account from Tradeify. That's a W. All right. We still got 17 seconds, Jen. Jen, exclamation point marbles fast. Get them in. I'm gonna throw in a special. Jen will still win. That ain't the truth. All right, I'm gonna throw in a little special surprise to this. It's not me. All right, we got Rob, Cody, Donald, Karen, VIP Steve, Mr. Waffles, and Donovan. All right, here we go. So I added Braden and Addie because they're watching. If Braden or Addie win, every one of you win 700. You got a 2 out of 9 chance, a 2 out of 9 chance, a little more than 20% chance of all of you winning 700. And we're going to the Speedway. Go Braden and Daddy. Donald won, Donovan, in the Discord. Oh, yeah, speaking of that, let me move that back real quick. I'll totally forget. Let me start this real quick. 3, 2, 1, let's go. First one out gets the follow. Looks like it's going to be Karen. Karen it is. Zoomed out. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Karen's still out in the lead. Go Braden, go Addie. Here we go. I know. Karen's trying to be selfish again. Imagine twice in one day. No, Jen. You're making some eggs. Those are some expensive eggs in terms of points. Karen will still win. She's selfish. Oh, there's Braden. There's Addie. Jen was scared. She didn't want to defend her championship. Donald said, I'm taking everything today. Donald said, I'm going to win the Discord giveaway. I'm going to win the members only race. Take all your points. And I'm going to win the 50K growth account. Donald's the one being jealous. No, Josh, it's right after this. Oh, there goes Addie. We're down to the last 2. Need Addie or Braden to win. All the members get 700. 700 points. Go Addie, go Braden. Everyone's here. Just the way we like it. Oh wait, there was Steve. We were missing Steve. Here they come into the last set of barrels. Steve's out in the lead. He wasn't last. Now he's in first. Who's going to make it through? Mr. Waffles is going for it. Karen trying to sneak around the outside, but there's Donovan. It's the husband and wife combo. They're stuck behind the tires. Donovan's going to get pushed through. Donovan, winner. Braden close in second. Addie and Cody are stuck behind the one remaining tire. And they're going to drop in to finish off the race. Donovan, winner, chicken dinner on his first day as a member. Let's go. 700. All right, real quick, I'm gonna hit pick winner. Whoever wins this gets their 100 points back. Donovan, Not here? Clap. Where's he at? All right, I'm gonna click it anyway. He said, hold on, I gotta go get him. He's not even watching. All right, picking the winner. This person gets their 100 points back for the entry. Rob, let's go. Rob gets his 100 points back. He probably needs them. He's gonna gamble them all away anyway. All right, as we're waiting on Donovan. Yep, the bomb race is coming. We'll go back to the chart. We're actually looking to break the low, so we might get a trade. Let me close this off. I just realized the whole time I was explaining that to you, did I have this up? You guys couldn't even see what I was talking about? Such an idiot. He's at work, but I told him. All right. He'll get it. I feel like that's something I can't not give. All right, let me make sure I set up the account correctly because I had it set to a straight to funded. 50K, Tradeify, growth accounts. Cost is 485. Let's do it. Donovan! Ooh-wee! You pulled it out at the end, sir. Cody, you won a growth account. When did you win a growth account? I haven't given one away this month. Hold on, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Now do it! Exclamation point marbles! It's a $100 account, essentially. It's like $97. It's a $97 account. 485 points get you in. Guys, if you won an account in January, it's poof. You're allowed to enter again in February. Go for it. I think that's what Cody was talking about. He won one in January. February is a new month. The code's reset. 485 points. Let's get it. Damn right you're in. Let's go. You got 9 minutes. You got plenty of time. See, so here's what I was talking about. When it just kind of leaks through like this, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to go through with a vengeance and get down to the bands. And so I can get in close to the bands, and then I'm looking for the retest of that previous support area. That's an A+ setup. Now, getting those moves is a different story because they don't happen that often. By the way, Donald, I sent you the info. Let me know if it works in the Discord. Oh, I think that might have been you. I just signed up. Oh, maybe not. Different. Trying to bite my lip like a piece of skin sitting there. Should just put chapstick on it, but I'm a scab picker. Don't be a scab picker. I try to tell myself he's got a scab on his knee right now. I'm like, don't pick it. Just makes it worse.
Inside my own world of make-believe. and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Get off my screen.
Screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption, honesty.
What's up, Dan? Yeah, download. I saw it. I will enter Addie and Braden. I just don't know how I lose 300 points. I mean, I don't know if I should for this one though, because it's for the account giveaway. I put them in the last one and put a fun twist on it. I'll tell them I can't do it this time, because if they were to win, it would kind of screw everything up. This one's not for points or anything like that. This is for like an actual live account. This will be the last race of the day. I hope everybody has a good day after this. I hope you all have a good weekend. I will see you all Monday morning. Oh, right, yeah, because it's 485 points for the... Froggo forgot that quick. There's someone stealing my points. How dare you? All right, how much time I got left? Got 3 minutes. 3 minutes, get them in. A little volatility here. The 12 o'clock on the dot, causing a little bit of volume to come in there. Another little fake out though. But yeah, here I'll go back real quick and explain what I was talking about earlier. Kind of have to zoom in. Where was I? It was like, yeah, right here. So when you're looking at support and resistance, it's kind of the same thing over and over again, right? You find previous support. It gets used as resistance. It goes through, gets used as resistance. It's a bouncy ball, right? Like imagine throwing a bouncy ball into the ground. Is it, when you throw the bouncy ball with no force, like you just drop it, is it ever going to bounce higher than it bounces the first time? No, right? It's gravity. It's just going to slowly bounce lower and lower and lower. And that's how you know you're in a trend, right? You have a support, you go through it, you come back up and you retest it. You come back down, you go through the support it made, form a new support, come back up, retest the previous support, use it as resistance, go back down, go back through the support, come all the way down again, and look at each time it's coming close to the bands as well. I mean, these are like perfect trades with perfect retests. Sometimes they take longer. Sometimes, I mean, look at this one. This one only took a few minutes. This one took like 15 minutes, right? You never know what's going to actually happen. And does it have to do this? No. But you see it happen all the time. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the big push through. And then I'm looking for, I was going to say it looks like it might be trying again, but it was just the previous candle. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to go. I mean, and even here, it did the same thing today. So we had a support line. It did fake us out. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you're not going to get the big move. And this was more of a liquidity grab, and then it went higher. It tried to use that as support again. And then when it finally went through and gave us that big push, what's it do? It's the bands, comes back up, retest. Comes down, support again, comes back up, resistance again, comes back down, support again. And it's still trying to use this as support. So what I'm expecting is either eventually we'll get the big push down through. That's when you look to get in for the retest. Or this is just going to come up and probably try to use this as resistance again. And I mean, we could just chop sideways. All right, where's Braden's asking? 901 there, Bray? Yep. 902 now. Yeah, I think last time I was explaining that I had my P&L block in the middle of the screen, so you probably couldn't see everything. No. Did you win, though? No. That sucks. I was on the correct screen. Did I have the P&L up, though? I thought I did. The marbles race is about to start right now. It literally just ended. There's quite a lot of people in here, too. I like it. All right, let's go over to marbles. I gotta type the members in here. Dude, we got seven members. So it's 14. All right, first one was Karen. Second one was Steve. Donovan was number 3. Trying to go too fast. Jem was number 4. Cody, number 5. Donald, number 6. And Mr. Waffle Sack. Mr. Waffles. Who didn't enter? I didn't see. Was it? No, it wasn't Jen. Oh, was it? No, Donald, Donovan. Who are we missing? There's one missing. I'm having a brain fart. It's usually Cody. He's the one I'm usually... Oh, Rob. Rob's missing. Waffles, baby. Let's go. All right. So it should be 50. 56. Oh, yeah, guys. All right. Touch Matala, Jojo, Holly, Calbisky. You didn't have enough points yet. Walla Walla. You're good. Oh, no, you did. Crap. Hold on. It screwed up the order over there. Albisky, you're good. He's like, but it took my points. It took him. All right, Wolverine. Where are you? This is like all messed up. Oh, come on. All right, let me start from the top. Josh, visible ID, LND. I don't see you in here. All right, LND is 1. Aaron, you're good. DT, you're good. Mass Knowledge, Johnny, VIP. Oh, wait. Rob. Oh, Rob, do you not have enough points? Brayden, I can't add you to this one, bud. Because this is for an account. It's not for points. I added you to the last one and made it a little spicy. but I can't add you to this one. You would have needed 485 points for this one, because this is the actual account giveaway. Rob, do you not? Let me just double check Rob for a sec. Wait up. Oh, it's not gonna bring you up because you got the thing on the end of your name. Where are you at, Rob? Copy your. Yeah, you did you seriously gamble all your points away again? Oh my god. Alright. That makes sense. Okay. So we still got 4 more extras in here. Steve, Pushpack, Donovan, Tony, JFH, Kevin, Tradeify, Noob Gaming, good. Froggo, good. Jen, good. Cody, good. Marie, good. TCG Andy, where are you? Okay, I put you down there. Marie, John, John's good. Donald's good. Ann's good. Sandy's good. Yane. I don't see you, Yane. Alright, Yane, you didn't have enough points just yet. Piano Trader. Piano Trader, not enough points just yet. Arcanus. We found it. We got a nice little pocket of them. We got one more. Kisun is good. Holland. Holland's good. Jason. Jason's good. Gonzalez. Gonzalez is good. Koala. Or wait, I'm doing this the wrong way. I should be doing it this way. Zelda is good. Holland is good. OG Maximus. Is it you? It is. Alright, we found it. That means everybody else should be good. APY. Wait, where are you? Oh my god. KPY is not in here. Zelda, Pollen. There's no KPY. That means now somebody's missing. Ming. Wait, Ming's not in here either. Oh my. Am I missing a member? Would that make sense? 48? Hold on, let's go through the rest of these. I can't, this is frustrating. This like never happens. Gonzalez is good. Koala's good. Albisky's good. Added him back at the end. Wolverine. Where's Wolverine? Okay, Wolverine's one that's missing. Mike Hunt. I definitely didn't see you. I would have remembered you. Alright, so maybe that was it. Then Holly. Gojo, Touchman. Alright. Alright, we finally got this. Josh, are you in here? I do not see it. You're in there. Alright, 50. Let's find it. Castle Siege. Let's go. Alright. Finally, for the 50K growth account, Tradeify. 50K Tradeify growth account. Here we go. All you gotta do is win. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Good luck. This thing is crazy. There's gonna be a lot of back and forth. There's gonna be a lot of back and forth. First one down gets the follow to start. There it is, Tony, out in front. Everyone can see my screen, right? Tony and Jen going for it to start. We already are losing people. That would suck so bad to be out that quick. Wait, there's 17 people eliminated already? Oh my Jesus peasy. Some people are like, well, that was quick. Jen going for it. Could you imagine? Jen just being greedy. Oh, backwards she goes. Tradeify now out in front. Oh no, backwards. Somebody went flying. Oh, he's back out front again. Oh no, Sandy goes for the big lead. Look at Sandy go! Out in front of the Ghost Marble as well. Go Sandy. Oh, there it goes. Had a huge lead. Look at that. Still might recover. Still might recover. Still time. Turn around, Sandy. Here we go. Here comes Calbisky. Wow, you had such a big lead and now you're going even further back. No. Calbisky, that's not going to help. Still in first, though. DT going for it. Oh! Oh! DT still going forward. Skips the barrels. Still got a ways to go, though. Oh, no. Oh, back forward again. The barrel helps him. DT! Stay in bounds. DT with the win. Let's go. Absolutely crushed it. That wasn't even close. Holy crap. Let's go. Congrats, DT. You got very lucky with the barrel. Every time you went backwards, the barrel came in and hit you forwards again. That was great. All right, once this ends, I'll hit pick a winner for someone who gets their points back. DT, message me in Discord. I'll get you taken care of. Sandy's like, consolation, Waffle destroyed. That's crazy. Good job, DT. His marble just took off and it never looked back. He had a huge lead. Yeah, coming in second is a little extra salty in the giveaway race, huh? Just a little. You're actually pretty close to the marbles race too. Love it. Love it. All right, we only had 9 people. Oh, well, some of them got burnt at the end. Kisun. Let's see. I don't... Yeah, you were in there. Let's see. Maybe you were one of the first ones got knocked out? Yep, there you were. All right. I am Jason. You were second. Jojo died first. You were close. All right, I'm going to hit pick winner. Pick winner gets their 485 points back. Here it is. 3, 2. Let me go here first. 1. Koala Lawala, are you still here? Got those points back, 485. Can't turn that down. I'll wait till Koala comes in, or I'll just add it if they don't come back. I said she, assuming it's a she. Maybe I'm wrong. They will have to correct me. All right, you have until the end of this song to get your gambling itch in. Other than that, I am out of here. I appreciate y'all being here. Koala Lawala, if you type in the chat, I'll give them to you here in the chat. If not, I'll add them on the back end. There you are. I hope you all have a good weekend. Have a good rest of your day. I'm not trading anymore. I'm shutting it down. We had a good day. We made 592 on the funded account, and I'm going to leave it at that. We're going to come into Monday with a fresh start. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll see you on Monday morning. I'll see you in the Discord if you want to talk over the weekend. Until then, peace. We'll do the end of this song. That song ended right away.